6:44 and National Children's Dental Health Month is underway. Is it time for your child's next routine appointment? Riley Children's Health pediatric dentist Dr. Laquia Vinson joins me now to share some precautions in place still during the pandemic. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Well, let's talk about safety first. It is safe for parents to bring their children to the dentist. What do you want parents to know about that?
It is absolutely safe to bring children to the dentist. Dentists already used a high level of PPE in their offices. All they did with the pandemic was just enhance the level of PPE that we were using. So now we use N95 masks. There's lots of air filtration systems that have been implemented in dental offices as well.
You know, I remember talking specifically about dentist appointments when the pandemic first started, all the safety precautions in place. Here we are in 2021, a year later, we're talking about it still. If people couldn't make it to the dentist last year due to the pandemic, what should parents and kids be doing now to get back on that track?
Parents should be scheduling those dental visits. What we've discovered during the pandemic is dental health has been the #1 most unmet need because of the pandemic. So if they have not scheduled their routine visit, they really should.
Let's talk a little bit more about the precautions in place. Like you said, you know, you kind of do this anyway, just because of the nature of your job being so close to other people's faces. What precautions do you normally take, and then what extra are you doing right now?
So in addition to gloves, masks, and gowns, we've added face shields, we've added temperature checks for both the parents and the patients when they arrive to the office. Most dentists aren't even using their waiting rooms anymore as to not have anyone in very close contact. And if they are using a waiting room, they have removed everything that was a highly touched item. So magazines, toys, video games even.
You know, going to the dentist is so important. Unfortunately, though, it's one of the things that may get pushed to the side in the case of a pandemic or some emergency or something like that. So let's talk about why it's a good idea to start this habit, especially for kids to see this at a young age. And if it's not something you start young, what are some of the problems, the additional problems that you could see as you get older?
Well, the American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry recommends all children establish what is called a dental home by their first birthday. The purpose of that visit allows parents to have some education as far as what to expect, whether it's eruption, whether it's caring for the teeth, everything from good dietary habits and good brushing habits as well.
All right, Dr. I'm sorry, go ahead.
If you don't establish that, then what we discovered is waiting until age 2 or 3 was too late, and a lot of the dental problems that were easily preventable are now a major issue.
Start this right away and set that good example for your kids. Dr. Laquia Vinson, thanks for getting up with us and making your way to work in the snow. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, Scott Jones, we're sending it your way.